We had a lot of tam-tam with our TomTom and decided to give a cheap Chinese GPS and DVR a try. We bought the xGody. Price was €70. We had two options for shipping: cheap shipping for about €6 and waiting 6 weeks, or €18 and shipping within a week. We paid the €18 and got the xGody after 10 days. At this time in January 2019, our old TomTom bought in 2013 was in some stores sold as a special for €90. As we checked out the xGody the first time, we were impressed. The 7-inch version comes with a front and a rear DVR. The dashcam captures 1080 Full HD videos. The rear cam captures 720 HD videos. Our old TomTom was about €160 and its successor costs about €200. Both TomToms have no cams. Both TomToms came with cards for Central Europe, America, Eastern Europe or other regions. The xGody came with much more cards. As we bought our TomTom in 2013, it came with old cards of 2009 or 2010. Card updates failed soon and TomTom couldn't help us to fix it. The xGody came with latest cards. We found some new build roads at once. The xGody has some disadvantages. We will discuss this point later in other reviews. This first video and review is about the image quality of the front camera. We haven't used the rear cam because the rear cam must be connected with cables to the device and we didn't find yet any reasonable way to do that in our cars. The 7-inch version is clearly made for trucks, small delivery trucks, campers or other bigger vehicles than passenger cars, but you can use it in a passenger car too. A 6-inch version will fit better to a passenger car's windshield, but we didn't find a 6-inch version with camera. The front camera is clearly not made to record travels, therefore the quality is much too poor. It is made to record the traffic and just in case of car accidents. You can install a 16 GB micro SD card. 16 GB is enough to record traffic and accidents but much too small to record travels. The front cameras records 3GP file format. Our video composing softwares couldn't import the files. The popular Any video converter wasn't able to convert the files. We converted the footage you are watching now with VLC Media Player. The original files are slightly better than the converted MP4 files. With a finger's tip you can make a snapshot with the front cam. Even when the cam records video, in 10 weeks the camera 4 times suddenly didn't work, and this message was displayed. Unfortunately the DVR has shut down. The usual camera mode is looping. In this mode the camera overwrites the oldest files when the SD card is full. You can save videos with a fingertip on an icon. These video files will not be overwritten. You can set the video's duration to 1, 2 or 3 minutes. Video recording is starting as soon as the plug is connected to the car's cigar jack. This gives you the great opportunity to get a lot of useless video files if you don't hit the road at once. Thanks to this feature we now know how our residential area, the garage and the yard of our office are looking. You can prevent this useless footage by stopping recording, but don't forget to start recording again when you hit the road and want to record videos. Video quality is good, satisfying or sufficient in good light conditions. Compared to the price of a GPS with DVR, in low light and at night the video quality is cheap as you can see in our footage. Bitrate and frame rate of the rear camera are too low to produce better and higher video quality. Our next videos will show you the display, settings and other features of the xGody GPS. Do you really need a dashcam with better image and video quality will be another subject of an upcoming video, and we will show you how you can save your money if you not buy a dashcam.